Wow, just wow. Look at this paradise. This is Ålö Stora Sand, or Stor Sand, as I have seen on some of the boards on this island of Ålö. That's actually connected with Utö, another island with a bridge, where I was 2 days ago and explored another sandy beach that was also called Stora Sand, but on Utö. Now that beach was bigger, but this one feels a little bit calmer than that one, as there were huge waves on Stora Sand in Utö. As this is a little bit of a bay here, there are not so many waves, but I'm not sure how it is on a super windy day, because today we have a bit winds from northeast, so it's quite calm here. And it looks spectacular. Just look at the color of the water. This looks like any of the Caribbean beaches with the white sand. But the only positive thing from here is that it's not as hot as there, so you can definitely enjoy and don't feel afraid from the sun, because the UV index is very low, but it warms up a bit. Now today is going to be up to 14 degrees Celsius. Currently it's only 12 degrees Celsius and it is 12 o'clock, 12:30, and I will be here on this beach for 4 hours, as the boat back to the mainland, actually Nynäshamn, is at 4:35. So you can get to this beautiful majestic place if you take the commuter train from central Stockholm to Nynäshamn, and then from there are very few boats now during low season. There are more boats during the summer for sure, and the boat ride from Nynäshamn to Ålö Brygga takes 1 hour, and it passes through Notarö, Aspö, Norrö, Ronö, and then Ålö is the same one. All of the islands are with Ö because Ö means island, and all, I'm not pretty sure what all means, but yeah, this is true paradise, and I'm not really sure how cold or warm it is in the water, as 2 days ago in Utö it was just 10 degrees Celsius in the sea, so I'm really eager to find out the temperature of the water. So off we go with the thermometer to get a better measurement as I show you more of this nature here. So there are, you can also here sleep overnight if you have a tent for free in the nature, and there is even fireplace here which you can use if there is no caution not to do any fireplace. Sometimes there is a law that you cannot do it if there is potential fire hazard, but it looks amazing, and it's time for yet another beach adventure with Kris from yet another sandy beach. Now I have seen so many different sandy beaches for the very first time, as it is my very first time on this island of Ålö. So I need to make actually soon top 5 of my most favorite beaches in the Stockholm Archipelago. I also need to do that for all of Stockholm region, but this would definitely comfortably fit in the top 10 for sure in all region of Stockholm. I just love that it's so far away from civilization. 4 kilometers actually you need to walk from the boat stop to get here. So yeah, it's only for the adventurous people. But look at that. I mean, I am speechless. It is so clean on this side of the beach, though on the other side there was a lots of seaweed. So the beach continues, so it's quite long, not as wide as some of the other beaches. All right, we have 13 degrees Celsius today, so slightly warmer than it was 2 days ago, and 1 degree colder than yesterday from Sandhamn. With that said, it's time to go into the waters and enjoy a nice swim in the sea. Let's go. Woo. brilliant. I just love how beautiful it is. Oh, there's a jellyfish. Now the jellyfish are everywhere. And it feels refreshing, it feels nice. It's great that it's not windy, so even though it's 12 degrees, it feels a lot warmer than that. So now it's actually warmer in the sea. Yeah, this is the Baltic Sea, and I'm in the Stockholm Archipelago. Ålö Stora Sand. Stora Sand, let's go! That was amazing! I just can't believe I have this paradise all for myself. I met just one hiker earlier today that was sleeping over here during the night, and he will be hiking around this island. So I definitely recommend to come here, if not in autumn, in summer for sure. It may be a bit more crowded, but the beach is huge. And yeah, I'm gonna be chilling here now and enjoying on the beach, sunbathing, and maybe one more swim later on. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Kris!